Hi, writer friends. Today I want to talk to you about something that completely changed my book marketing strategy. And it's not social media. It's Pinterest. And it is a game changer. If you're feeling overwhelmed trying to keep up with Facebook and TikTok and all the things, believe me, I've been there. Why am I spending time creating content that just disappears? But Pinterest is different. It is a visual search engine, which means what you create and post today will help you for months and even years. That is why I created Pinterest Power for Authors, because I've seen firsthand how powerful it can be. This course walks you through step by step how to use Pinterest, specifically as an author. So whether you are indie or traditionally published, writing fiction, nonfiction, you'll learn how to use Pinterest. We start with the business side of things, from understanding why authors should use Pinterest to setting up your business account, creating your banner, and writing your profile content. From there, we dive into your business strategy on bringing blog traffic and building book sales. We develop brand elements using either Canva's free version or their pro version. Next is driving book sales and blog traffic. We look at different types of pins, the anatomy of a pin, and then we work on Canva to understand these elements. We'll design pins, even if you have never touched Canva before. Next, we tackle SEO, understanding what it is and those keyword basics. We move into pinning with consistency and purpose, which includes batch creation, looking at titles, descriptions, and alt text, and scheduling your pins. And then finally, we look at using boards and building community, joining groups, and growing your newsletter specifically. This course is more than 6 hours of content that's going to help you understand and start using Pinterest as a marketing tool. In this course, you will build your author brand, get more eyes on your book, and start to drive consistent traffic to your website, to your newsletter, to your sales pages, wherever you want to send people. And I will show you how to make a strategy that you can actually stick to without burning out. Pinterest is not just about pretty pictures. It is a focused and intentional way to grow your audience. If you are ready to feel more in control of your marketing, less overwhelmed, and actually excited to share your content, then come and join me inside this course. I will be with you every step of the way.